Kessler syndrome. Now, as soon as I say this name, a lot of you might think that this might be a genetic disorder, a medical or a health condition. Of course not. This syndrome is nowhere close to any medical science. This is a syndrome which is related to space research and relates to space congestion, a very important topic these days with rising debris in the space. So this concept was first earmarked with a vision that, let's say you are driving on a road, that road is full of traffic. So what happens is two or three cars at a cross point actually collide, and there is glass and debris all around. Now the vehicles coming from all four corners, all four sides would be in speed and would collide, creating further debris, and then this actually keeps on and on. So this creates a kind of chain reaction. Now this example of traffic was just to explain you, but in reality Kessler syndrome is a phenomena that occurs in space. So what happens was, Sputnik was the first satellite that was launched in 1957, but after that there have been nearly 15,000 satellites in space. So if one of the satellite collides with another, it would create a small debris in the space, and this debris would then collide with other satellites, and this would create further debris. Those would further collide with other, creating further more debris, and this would act as a chain reaction. And this was identified by Professor Kessler and has been known as a Kessler syndrome. Now, based on this, there has been a science fi movie that was released in 2013, and this movie was called as Gravity. Under this, the same idea was being explained that if the space congestion goes on, the space debris would accumulate, and this might create a chain reaction. So in order to curb this, in 2023 United Nations signed a pact, and this pact is known as Pact for Future, and the idea is to manage the space traffic in one form or the other. So very important term, not related to medical science, not related to health. It is related to space and space congestion, called as Kessler syndrome. Very important topic. We'll be covering many such important updates with you. Stay tuned for further information. Thanks for joining in.